What is up everybody? Welcome to One to Step YouTube channel, and in this video I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you guys can stream on Discord with better quality. So it's pretty simple to stream on Discord with better quality, but before I show you guys how you guys can do it, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases, and it helps our channel to grow. So be sure to do that, and let's start the video. Now, to improve your stream quality in Discord, basically first, you want to go to a server where you want to stream and join the voice channel. After joining a voice channel over there, basically you want to click on where it says screen. And once you click on screen, you want to choose which screen you want to, stream. So let's say I want to stream my displayed screen over here. After I click on it, it's going to show me all the setting. Now, to improve my stream quality, basically I want to set it to higher resolution over here. If it is in 720, you want to click it to 1080p. But now remember, if you want to stream in 1080p, you need to buy Discord Nitro. What Discord Nitro is Discord Nitro is a premium version of Discord for which you need to pay. So if you are in free version of Discord, you cannot stream in more than 720p. That's the max. But if you guys have Discord Nitro, then you guys can stream in higher quality, which is 1080p. And you can also go to 60 FPS, which is gonna make the stream more smooth. And you can also change the stream quality over here by choosing like smoother video or better text to reality, or click it on custom. You can choose whichever you want, but I like smoother video because it makes my video smoother. And yeah, that's basically how you guys can change your stream quality. Buy Discord Nitro and choose on 1080p and click on 60 and then click on go live. Once you do that, you can stream on 1080p, which is also known as HD quality. That's basically how you guys can stream on better quality in Discord. Let me end my stream. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to subscribe to our channel One to Step so you guys can get notified for our future tutorial videos. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. And if you guys want us to make any tutorial video, you can ask us in the comment. We'll make the tutorial video to help you guys to solve your problem. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.